Hi everybody, we are in Lamkin, Texas. A very tiny town, and let's just take a quick look at it. A very quick look because this is just about it. To our right there looks like could be a calaboose, which is basically a small town jail. It could be. And right here, this building looks like it could have been the old mercantile. No, it says grocery. Okay, this was the grocery store. Next to that is a nice old limestone building. And across the street, we have a derelict building. What once was. As you can see, there's a tree growing out of the roof of that interior building. All right, those dogs are coming at me fast, so I'm gonna get in my car. All right, the dogs didn't kill me, so I guess we're all right. So next to this building is another grocery store. This building has good bones, so it could be rejuvenated. Look how far back it goes. Very cool. And next to that is another derelict building. Goes pretty far back as well. And that's it. All right, thanks for joining me on this little quick tour of Lamkin, Texas. And I will see you next time. And remember, you're all dearly loved. Hey, doggy. Hey. You gonna bite me? Oh, you're not gonna bite me. Hey, doggy. Are you gonna bite me? Can I pet you? Hey. Hey, come on. All right. He's a little shy. See ya.